Okay, so this is a quick demonstration. I fill it weld. So the first step that we have to do in any welding process really is to position your part and tack weld it into place. So I'm going to stick a tack weld over this side here and then another tack weld on this side here. Now you can see she's been tack welded on the end here. Tack welded on that end there. Now, if you're doing it properly, you'd put a square on there. You can sort of see it's leaning that way a bit. But this video is only a small, quick demonstration on MIG welding. So here we go. So I'll lift this up to the camera to see, make sure you guys can see it. And there you go. Show your side on. If we look over on the back here, we can see that the heat's definitely had an impact here because the heat's, you can see the heat affected zone on the back here, which is a good indication that probably the weld has penetrated through into this base metal, which is what you want. Oop. And same again on the opposite side to the weld, you can just see that the heat's affected it here as well. So the mill scale coming off. All in all, if you can knock out welds like that, you shouldn't have any trouble welding at all.